Today is your lucky day because I am going to share my secret guilt-free banana bread recipe, and it is so easy peasy that ta-da! You'll be able to make it in a jiffy. So here it goes. I've used elaichi kela, but you can use the normal ripe bananas. I've used 6. You can use around 3 of the ripe bananas or 6 of these. That is a prerequisite. They have to be mashed really well. As you can see, you get 2 eggs, put it right in. You put in around 3 tablespoons of almond milk. And this recipe will be ready in under 60 seconds. We've got some pure vanilla extract, but you can use vanilla essence. Okay, just making your life easy. And now you give it all a nice mix. Okay, you can do it with a fork as well, but I just want to use lesser utensils. Make sure it's nicely mashed. Yeah. Now in goes our maple syrup. It's 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is a no refined flour, no refined sugar recipe. And then in goes our almond flour. Okay, it's 120 grams. You know, when you're baking, you have to be a little precise with your ingredients. And then just half a teaspoon of salt. Baking powder. This is a quarter, so I have to put 4. Can't seem to find my, yeah. So just a little bit of baking powder. And now mix it. I also like a bit of cinnamon. It goes really well. And I'll add a bit of cinnamon. Really brings out the flavor. That's around half a teaspoon. I love flax seeds, okay? They're really great for your system, full of fiber, and they also act as an egg substitute. So just in case you're not using eggs and you're completely vegetarian, you can actually go with double the quantity of flax seeds, and you'll have to increase the almond milk. But I'm using 3 tablespoons of flax seeds. Just mix it all in really well. So what I'm going to do is just put in a couple of the walnuts, give it a good whisk, and goes into our mold that is already pre-greased. Easy, fuss-free. That's how I like my cooking really. Okay, now just give it just taking away all the air bubbles. And we've got our oven preheated to 180 degrees. We put it in for around 25 to 30 minutes. And it'll be just moist. Now we just put those on top. You can even add chocolate chips if you'd like, but my son loves it like this. And that's it. Oh my god, I just wish you guys could smell it. It's yum and it's completely done, as you can see. So I've taken it out of the oven and we're just going to let it set for like 20 minutes.